This is Pixie. Pixie is an 8-year-old girl who loves crystals more than anything. She believes each one holds a little sparkle of magic.
You're looking at a full 60-second animated story that I generated inside Flova AI from just one prompt. No complicated editing, just a clean prompt and the right settings. If you're a creator and you're new to AI video, you're in the right place. In the next 8 to 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate a 60-second video from a single prompt in Flova. Plus, the quick fixes that make your results look clean and creator ready. Before we jump in, if you want to try Flova, check the link in the description below. You'll get 500 credits when you sign up, and the first 500 users get an extra 500 credits. If you've been wanting to test AI video, that's a really good head start. My workflow is simple. I use ChatGPT to create a clean, detailed prompt. Then I paste it into Flova. So you're not watching me magically come up with words. I'm showing you a real creative workflow you can copy. Choose your format. Set length and duration, 60 seconds. Set aspect ratio for 16:9. If there's a quality and style toggle, pick the cleanest, highest quality option available. Try avoid extreme effects as a beginner. While this is generating, here's what I'm looking for. Clean cuts, consistent character, and smooth camera movement, especially during the heart glow moment. If your first result isn't perfect, don't panic. We tweak the prompt. Little changes make a big difference. Here are my quick pro tips for beginners. Keep your scenes simple. Just use one main location. Keep your character consistent. Make sure you use the same description each time. I have a video that will help you with a master avatar reference that will help you keep your character consistent when using ChatGPT. Click the link for that video. You want to use a clear turning point like Pixie's look inside moment. Don't overstack effects. Clean looks better, always. If it feels random, add specifics like location, 6-shot plan, and one clear emotion shift. Don't just say, make a story. Tell it what to show. If it's trying to do too much, simplify. One room, one goal, one message. Keep it focused so it looks clean. If movement looks stiff, add stable animation, smooth cuts, gentle push-in, natural expression, soft blinking. Those cues help a lot. Quick question. Are you making your first video for YouTube, Shorts, or Instagram? Tell me in the comments below. Now let's recap. Paste your prompt. Set it to 60 seconds. Choose 16:9. Click generate and then tweak based on what you see. That's the workflow.
This is Pixie. Pixie is an 8-year-old girl who loves crystals more than anything. She believes each one holds a little sparkle of magic. One morning, Pixie reached for her favorite crystal pouch and froze. It was empty. Her crystals were missing. Pixie took a deep breath. If my crystals are gone, she thought, I'll just have to go and find them. A tiny glowing light appeared, as if it wanted to help, so Pixie followed. It led her into a quiet, shimmering forest. Everywhere Pixie looked, something sparkled. On the leaves, in the water, even in her own reflection. Pixie started to wonder if her crystals were really lost, or if they were trying to show her something.
A little light floated closer and hovered over Pixie's heart. That's when she understood.
Maybe my crystals weren't really lost. My real light was inside me the whole time.
If this video helped you, please hit the subscribe button because I'm dropping more beginner-friendly AI tutorials for creators. And if you want to try Flova, the link is in the description. 500 credits when you sign up, plus an extra 500 credits for the first 500 users. Try it. Come back and tell me what you made. And don't forget, the free cheat sheet is linked in the description below, so you can copy and paste the template and follow along anytime. Drop your niche in the comments: coach, Etsy seller, music creator, wellness, anything, and I'll reply with a prompt starter you can paste in.